Payne, man, you know, I gotta thank you for coming in today, my dog.
I appreciate it, man. You already know it's no problem. You want to go ahead and lay this thing on down?
Yeah, about that. I decided to replace you on the song.
Replace me?
Yeah.
T-Pain.
Yes.
With who?
The Blizzard Man.
The Blizzard Man.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, the Blizzard Man. Yeah, I heard he ripped it at Commons last show.
Yep.
I ain't never heard of him.
Ha! Well, get ready, because you about to right now. That's him. Blizzy B!
Yo, what up?
What up, boy? What's going on, man? Blizzy B, T-Pain, Blizzy B.
What it do?
What did it do?
All right, man, you ready to get in there?
Oh, indeed.
Come on, man, let's go. Yeah.
Did you replace me with dude in there?
Yeah, I know. He has kind of a fresher style, right?
No.
No.
Man, whatever, man. All right, Blizz, man. Here it comes, right? Just let it ride. Do what you feel.
All right. Yo, I'm about to set it. Another #1 hit. Turn on my snare. Yeah. Check my style out. Rap song. We come from the South and our teeth are gold. We drink lots of codeine and sit around. A jam comes on and we all do the crump. Yo.
That's what I'm talking about. My man still got it. I love it. He still got it.
Still got what? That was terrible.
Yeah, man, he sounds like Al Jolson.
What? Man, y'all are tripping. That's a hit. Come on now.
Who is that?
Oh, that's probably the head of my label.
What the dilly? I'm Ted Jankeloff, the head of Jim Jam Records, and before Blizz records any more songs, he gets half the publishing.
Yeah.
What? I don't even get that. He's not getting that.
Hell yeah, man. Deal. He's worth every penny of it. Blizz, man, you
Word.
ready? You ready for another tape?
Word is bond.
Let's do it.
Yo, make it clap. Ludacris Blizzard Man. Way better than T-Pain. Check my style out. We're at the strip club spending cash. 1s and 5s and even 2s. We make it rain cause it's a song. And I throw a silver dollar and a lady gets hurt. Yo, stop snitching.
What? Oh! Are you for real? Come on, man. I gotta be dreaming right now. Is this heaven? Is this heaven?
No!
Yo, this dude is garbage in French terms.
Man, you must be sipping that perp. My dude is putting it down for the streets.
Man, what streets?
You know, cul-de-sacs, mostly.
Man, come on, man. Y'all gotta keep it down now. Blizz, he's very sensitive. Oh, look, see, you done made him upset, man.
Man, how can you even compare me to this dude, man? I'm T-Pain, man. He look like Vanilla Ice stunt double, dog.
Man, I could do a T-Pain style. Turn on that auto-tuner.
Oh, see? You see what you just did? Now you done uncaged the beast. Now we about to enter a whole new realm of music. Now we talking about Beethoven, Bob Marley, men at work territory, man. Hey, Blizz, you ready?
Believe that.
Let's do it.
Ooh, shorty, it's Blizzard Man. Yeah. Come on, you done set me off. Check my style out.
Robot voice. All of the kids love the robot voice. My dookie chain cost a lot of clams. Snoop Doggy Dogg is on my nards. I wear very nice duds, Pierre Cardin and Jordache jeans. My hypercolor shirt changes when it's warm, but usually that's confined to my tits. I dig smooching babes. I squeeze their butts if they give their consent. Later on, if they don't object, I'll move to the boobies and give them a honk. Doop doop doodly doop doop doo doodly doop a doop.
You know what, man? Y'all boys might be right. I think I'm gonna do a song with him, too.
I told you. Did I not tell you so?
Ah, he wants all the publishing.
That's right. We go.
Yeah.